नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic Introduction of IPBP. These topics belong to the pharmaceutics theory for the B Pharm first semester. IPBP means is the Indian Pharmacopoeia and British Pharmacopoeia. So I, JVN Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today's this topic is introduction of IP and BP. Firstly, we discuss about the pharmacopoeia. Pharmacopoeia derived from the Greek word pharmakon. Pharmakon means drugs and pia means to make. It is a legal and official book issued by recognized authority and usually appointed by government of each country. It comprises list of pharmaceutical substance, formula, along with their description and standard. List of pharmacopoeias: Argentine, Austrian, Belgian, Brazilian, British, Chinese, Egyptian, European, French, German, Indian, international, and Indian, Japanese, and all other United States. So Indian Pharmacopoeia. First official pharmacopoeia of India appeared in 1868, which was edited by Edward John Morin. In pre-independence day, British pharmacopoeia was used in India. The colonial amendment of BP, British Pharmacopoeia 1898, was published in 1900. Appeared as Government of India edition in 1901. In 1946, Government of India issued one list known as the Indian Pharmacopoeia List. Committee under chairmanship of Sir R.N. Chopra along with the other 9 members of prepared the Indian Pharmacopoeia List. It was prepared by Department of Health and Government of India, Delhi in 1946. In 1948, Government of India appointed an Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee for preparing Pharmacopoeia of India. Tenure of this committee was 5 years. Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee under chairmanship of Dr. B.N. Ghosh published first edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia in 1955. So it is written in English and official titles of monograph given in Latin. It covers 986 monographs. Supplement to this edition was published in 1960. Second edition of IP was published in 1966 under the chairmanship of Dr. B. Mukherjee. Official titles of monograph given in English. Those were expressed in metric system. For tablets and injections, usual strength and have been given. Formulation of the drug were given immediately after the monograph drug. 274 monograph of Indian Pharmacopoeia 55 and their supplement were deleted. So 93 new monographs were added and supplement of this edition was published in 1975. So 126 new monographs have been included and 250 monographs have been amended. Cholera vaccine has been deleted. So Indian Pharmacopoeia, third edition of IP was published in 1985 with 2 volumes and 9 appendices. So there are the description of the Indian Pharmacopoeia. Now we come to the 5th edition of IP was published in 2007 and addendum to this edition was published in 2008. IP 2007 is presented in 3 volumes. Volume 1 contains general notice and general chapters, and volume 2 and 3 contains general monograph on drug substances, dosage form of pharmaceutical aids. So the Indian Pharmacopoeia 2010, sixth edition of IP is published in 2010. The sixth edition of the Indian Pharmacopoeia 2010 is published by the Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission IPC Ghaziabad in accordance with the plan of complete thought. The efforts of its members, secretariat and laboratory over a period of about 2 years. It suppresses the 2007 editions, but any monograph of the earlier edition that does not figure in the edition. This edition would be effective from 1st September 2010. The Indian Pharmacopoeia 2010 is presented in 3 volumes. Volume 1st contains the notices, preface, the structure of the IPC acknowledgements, introduce and the general chapters. Volume 2 contains the general notice, general monograph on doses form and monograph on drug substances, doses form and pharmaceutical aids. So the Indian Pharmacopoeia 2010 volume 3rd contain monograph of a drug substance, doses form and pharmaceutical aids. Indian Pharmacopoeia color is blue. So now we come to the British Pharmacopoeia. First edition of British Pharmacopoeia was published in 1864. It consists of 2 sections, part 1, Material Medica and part 2, Preparation and Compounds. Second edition of British Pharmacopoeia was published in 1867 and fourth edition of British Pharmacopoeia was published in 1898. Fifth edition of British Pharmacopoeia was published in 1914. Eighth edition of British Pharmacopoeia was published in 1953. In this edition, titles of drug and preparation were in English instead of Latin and metric system. It has been published annually in BP 2007. Monograph has been introduced for material especially used in preparation of traditional Chinese medicine. Term prolonged release has been replaced the term slow and the term gastro-resistant has been replaced with enteric coated in number of monograph. So new to the British Pharmacopoeia 2010 are 40 monograph for formulated preparation including veterinary medicine and additional standard for widely used unlicensed formulation. Our European Pharmacopoeia 6th edition material up to and including supplement 6.5 is integrated into the text of BP 2010. In addition to the expanding number of monograph for licensed formulated product, the BP support the regulatory work in the field of herbal and complementary medicine by providing additional new and revised monograph for herbal medicine products and for homeopathic stocks and mother tincture. The print edition of BP 2010 comprised 4 volumes of the BP 2010 and a single volume of the BP Veterinary 2010. So the British Pharmacopoeia BP 2003, the British Pharmacopoeia 2003 package includes 6-volume printed edition including the BP Veterinary 2003. New for the 2003, 41 new BP monograph and 14 new European Pharmacopoeia monograph M619, amended monograph and 6 new and 1 amended infrared reference spectra. So the British Pharmacopoeia in 2014, the only official source of British Pharmacopoeia is standard. So the British Pharmacopoeia color is this, and so the British Pharmacopoeia. So overall, the complete description of the Indian Pharmacopoeia and British Pharmacopoeia. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.